Hello, good day, Ma'am MJ. I'm going to show you my output and explain my code. So, I use three component, which is the home screen, registration screen, and save student screen. So, I use async storage. Async storage is a local storage that system in React Native. I use it to save the student information on the device so it can still be retrieved and the application is reopened. So this is my code. This is code is the function of this is to import the React and the hooks that we need, which is the use callback and use states from React. So this one is the to import the React Native components. So this function is the async storage is used to check if student data is saved. And this one, the use focus is to run a function whenever this screen become active. And this function is the home screen. It's the first screen of the application. And this one, the function of this is has to check the async storage for save student information. And this one if it false it will show no student data, then when it's true it will show the student data exists. So the use of this as student is to keep the track of student information which is exists or not. And then this the function of this one, this is to get the data store using the student data. So if nothing is stored, the data will be null. And then this one is same like this. This one is if the data is not null, then a student exists. Then if data is null, there's no save student. So this one is to display an error in the console if something goes wrong. So this one is to use the focus effect. It run every time the home screen become active. So this allow the home screen to check again if student data exists. And this one is to call the function that check the async storage using the check student. So this function is the user interface of the home screen. This is the front end. So this is the application title here, and this one is the button for opening the registration form. And this where you navigate to the registration form when you want to fill up. So this one is the button for viewing that save the student information. And this one is if there's no student, use the disable style. And the disable, it means the disable the button if there's no save student. And this one is to open the save student screen. And this has student is to show this message if no student information exists. And this one is it show this message if student information exists also, same as this one. So this is my style it used by the home screen. And the let's go back to the check student. The check student is to check to see if student information has been set. Yeah, so when this one this run when the screen loads, and it is especially important when editing. If this means this editing, if editing student, it means existing student was passed to the screen, it will show the existing information into the form when you edit. Then this one is this function is to open the phone photo library, so it will ask information to access the photos from your device with your cell phone. And this one it will alert if permission was denied, so you cannot put your photos if you put it not if it denied. So this one is to open the phone image gallery. It allows the user to select image. This is this one, and this one also is it allows the user to crop the picture, and this one is to make the picture square and image quality. This is where you basically select photo you want, and this is if the user selected an image. So this one is to save the image URL in profile image using this code. And this one is to show the error is incon.string ify is it will convert the object into a string. So this one is to tell the user that information was saved. It will alert when it updated and after updating, and this is the showing message. And so this one this function is when you what is called this one this is where you want to select OK, then after that it will save the student. Just like that. So this error is to display the error if savings is failed. Will alert the message. And this one is the clear form. When you input the field and when you clear the form, it will automatically erase all that you fill up. So this function is the user interface. As you can see, there's a profile image, and there's no photo, there's no image showing. And this one is when you want to add an image or selecting change profile. And this is where you put your full name using this input code. This is the student ID, course, your level, email address, tag number, and save button. So this is the clear button when you want to clear the form. And this is my design or star shape. And let's proceed to save student screen. This is save student screen is the load save student. So this function it means it will store the student information that retrieved from missing storage after you fill up after you registered. So this is where you load the save student. This function code is to get the student data from the local storage, and this is where you show if the student if you want to retrieve that data exists, and it will convert to JSON string back into an object using this JSON parse. So this one is the function of this set student is if no data exit, it will set the student to null. So this function is to reload the same information when you register. next one okay, and this is the delete student. This is to ask the user to confirm before deleting. When you want tap to cancel and delete. And this is we want to remove the student data from local storage using the using storage remove item. And this is the where you remove the student function from the screen using this. And this is the alert before deleting the data. So it will inform the user that the data was deleted. And this one is it will return to the home screen. This is the error message. And this is if there's no student data showing. The function of this is to the button to register a new student. And this is the where you display the save student. It will show the profile image, full name, student information, student ID, course, your label, and email address, phone number, and so on. And this is the edit button. This is for delete button. This is my styling for my style sheet for my front end. So that's all. I'm gonna show you my output. As you can see, this is my output, my home screen. You can choose a registered student and view save student. And we want to register student, you can able to add full name. Let's say John Doe, and the student IDs, and the course is BSCS. Your labor is second year, and email address, and number. And after that, you can save the student. We need to. It's required to add a profile photo. So let's say this photo as an example. And you can select graph and save student, and student information has been saved. So let's retrieve the data. Let's go to the view save student. So as you can see the student information. You can able to edit, and yeah, it's updated. And if you want to delete the information, it will gone. So when you want to register the student, and type here for the clear form. If you want to clear form, it will erase the